Welcome to EncycloHub. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 1. Discuss the historical developments that contributed to the emergence of modern social psychology. 2. Describe the methods used in formulating an investigation in social psychology research, specifically addressing the methods of data collection and methods of analysis. 3. Discuss the factors influencing interpersonal attraction, focusing on the roles of physical attractiveness, propinquity/proximity, and similarity in forming and maintaining relationships. Section B. Answer the following questions in about 400 words each. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 marks. 4. Discuss the interrelationships between social psychology and other disciplines. 5. Discuss the errors in attribution, specifically focusing on the fundamental attribution error and halo effects. 6. Describe some ethical issues that arise in social psychological research. 7. Explain the various experimental studies of human obedience. 8. Discuss the theoretical perspectives of prosocial behavior. Section C. Answer the following in about 50 words each. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 marks. 9. Defines social psychology. 10. Person perception. 11. Characteristics of ethnography. 12. Prototypes. 13. Door-in-the-face technique. 14. Negative state relief hypothesis. 15. Proactive and reactive aggression. 16. Characteristics of attitudes. 17. Types of prejudice. 18. Important features of group. Thanks for watching.